Hello. In this lesson, we will see together how to configure FortiGate firewall interfaces step by step. In this topology, we have FortiGate with port 2 as a 1, which connected to Internet Service Provider in this simulation. We should configure it with DHCP Server, and we'll take IP address from DHCP from my modem in the home. Port 3 as a LAN, so we need to configure it with DHCP server. In that case, these three computers will be able to take an IP address from FortiGate DHCP server. Actually, no configuration is set in this FortiGate. Let's start. Okay, it's okay. Again in Windows also. Okay, set. This is another computer. So IP, no IP is sitting now. Okay, and that's okay. Let's go on FortiGate and password. Okay, so let's show system interface question mark. No IP is sitting now. So let's start our configuration. So config system interface, enter, edit port, as we see here. The port 2 is the one, so port 2. We need to set it as set mode DHCP, enter, set allow HTTPS, HTTP, Telnet, SSH, and Bing. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Set alias as a one. So end. Show system interface question mark. Now we have this IP as IP management. We can log in from the browser now. Let's log in. Admin, password, and that's okay. Later, let's start our configuration. So go to network, interfaces. This is the port 1, which we configured it from command line interface. And this is the port 3, which we need to configure it as a LAN. So double click. Let's see. Call it a LAN. The role you can use LAN 1, the immediate unfiled LAN. IP address. We set it /24 HTTPS ping. We will be able to manage this FortiGate from the LAN, one of our PCs. SSH. DHCP server is enabled. That's okay. Okay, and that's all. So, okay. Now let's make a check. Execute ping 8.8.8.8 to Google. Sorry. Okay. And that's fine. So now we need to see our computers if they can take an IP address. Let's see this computer. Show IP, no IP set, IP DHCP, and that's okay. So this PC has this IP address 178.16.1.3. Let's make test 178.116.1.1, which is the FortiGate port LAN. We can ping our FortiGate. Okay, so let's make another test. 8.8.8.8 Google. We can't ping Google. Okay, that's okay for now. Now let's try with this computer, virtual computer. Like, let's see something here. If it terminal ping 178. Sorry. Ping 172.1.6.1.1, and that's okay. 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 And Google. No ping. Okay. That's okay. Let's try to log in from this computer in our FortiGate. HTTPS. Okay. I said recommended. Accept risks. Okay, so admin password. Okay. Perfect. So in this test, we are logged in FortiGate from the port 3 as the LAN with HTTPS as we configured before. But the problem that we can't navigate to internet. We can't go to internet. Why? Because we don't configure yet the root and the policy. In the next lesson, we will see together how to configure the policy and the root.